Constable Pete McAulay visited Brisbane Supreme Court today, hopeful a positive may come out of the horrific injuries and trauma he suffered after being run down by a juvenile while he was on duty near Ipswich in 2018. The Court of Appeal began its assessment on whether the sentence given to the offender was too lenient.
There was a lot of anger and disgust with the decision, and a lot of people of the belief that it's not really fair that a year and a half in custody for the injuries that I've sustained. They were sort of hoping for a bit more of a different outcome.
The sentence was being reviewed after the union raised concerns about the time the 17-year-old would spend in custody. The QPU request was supported by the Police Minister Mark Ryan and Attorney General Yvette Darth.
Yeah, it has touched the nerve of the community. I was very surprised today. We attended the appeals court with Peter and the public coming forward and wishing us all the best in relation to today's hearing process.
3 members of the Court of Appeal took evidence on the matter and will now consider their decision.
I believe we got a fair hearing. I believe there's a good chance that the 3 Supreme Court judges will increase the sentencing. If it still remains the same, we can look at legislation, because I believe the community wants legislation to change where the offenders are appropriately sentenced.
Yeah, well, definitely, yeah. And it could be a catalyst for the change of legislation.
The Queensland Police Union, along with the QPS, will continue to support Constable McAulay through his rehabilitation.
The union's been there in my corner, the QPS has been there in the corner, so I've had support from family, friends, everyone's been there for me. So I'm very grateful for the support that I've received, but the support I receive from everyone else doesn't change the decision that the court makes. So
he's hopeful of returning to work early next year.